Box cover, this is DANCEHAL and welcome to a brand new social media countdown. Now before I jump into it, I want to say my apology to Mr. Lincoln 3 for mistakenly including a comment that was actually about Don Andre's post and not related to the sex tape in any way, shape or form. Sorry about that, brother. And for the same, I want to apologize for calling the One Punch Man Mr. Lego. When it cost me off and tell me a certain name because I don't watch anime and all of these things, so I'm sorry about that. But without further ado, let's get into the social media countdown. Number 10, Kartel to Christ. Me tithes and offering. Oh, Kartel. What a way you still there prison and your name still around road. You have song with Massacre.
My dog them a feelings. My dog them a feelings.
Have YouTube documentary.
Don't know me run the place.
Have your fans them a cuss off Mr. Vegas.
A lot of you are some internet bad people.
All because word got out say you turn Christian.
What y'all say? What y'all say?
I don't know who started the rumor, but out of nowhere it just started to spread like girl leg round a back road. So this letter, allegedly penned by Kartel, started to make the rounds on social media. Never read it. Recording songs has been my getaway in prison. Out in the world, I had all the money I needed. I had a beautiful wife with a beautiful children, and I could get just about any woman I wanted. But I always felt something was missing from my life. I have found what was missing from my life. God has just spoken to me. I have decided to turn my life over to my Lord. Here endeth the reading of God's word. And in an interesting turn, instead of the Gaza fans being happy and celebrating this move, them legit boxfoot vex. The idea that Mr. Gaza boss could be moving from slow motion to sing praises unto God, sing praises. Hey, Christ, you may want, face supply my needs, come deliver me. And for Fever becoming healer. And also a DJ Palmer gonna collab with Sister Marian Hall. Come and meet me at the altar tonight. Don't step out of the road, walk with a friend or foe, make sure I tides you a throw. Oh. But can't believe it, people. The Gaza fans them legit vex. So the potential, the possibility exists. So Kartel now gonna let go more dash out careless music. It's like they would prefer for him stay in a prison and release little boogie music than him for come out the road and sing gospel. But anywho, the entire letter it was actually fake. It's just a rumor. We don't know no concrete for Kartel actually I get baptized. But you know he has given well God, but even know what I say. He was given the go ahead to appeal the murder conviction, and who knows, this entire rumor it might actually work in his favor. Number 9, unruly grandson. You know, like when your relatives them come from foreign and get exposed to the real Jamaican authentic country life, and it's like them take a little while for kind of adjust and know how to navigate them way. Yeah, so this little youth apparently come from foreign, and him they deal with him grandfather, and this happened.
No. Wait. No. Hey, my name is me good.
Jimmy.
Wait, what? Who you talk to?
No.
It's my goal. It's my goal.
No.
Yes, it is.
Me popper.
No.
That's my goal.
No.
Who do you think you are?
And who do you think you are?
No, sir, Papa. We need a crocus bag of your patient.
God. My God. Come over here, God. No.
You mad? Man, you can't say fucking good.
Because you see, anyhow that I did my grandfather, my jaw can't reach his side long time.
No, who are you talking to? Who are you talking to?
Oh gosh, man, look how the little boy draw out, Papa now.
Who are you talking to? Who
Oh? No, sir. But can't just imagine all the mothers them where watch this right now, all them blood are boiled. Them goodly want take turns and beat him. Ow. Oh gosh, the video give me a migraine. And now check out the random video of the week.
Oh shit, what's going on here? Oh no.
Number 8, Dancehall Couples Express. My word, my sentence, my paragraph. Love RS in the ear on Instagram. So dancer Orvin Hall took to social media to express his love to Shelly, him good wifey for over 17 years. So he posted this video with the caption,
Today marks 17 years we've been together. Don't need to write a book. This love speaks for itself.
Both of us in the picture frame. So until the end of my days, baby girl, I just me and you. No other girl tonight like you. We stick together tight like you. So girl, me now let you go because I just.
so see Jamaica, there was another hot dancer couple other than Marvin and Nikisha.
Nothing can come between us, even a condom. And a jealousy, that's the principle.
So speaking of M and N, the Bubbler and the Beast went on Instagram to share their love too. Check out this post that dancehall queen Nikisha made.
M and N by dancehall queen Nikisha. My bae, my main one, my best friend. I love him so much. Why? Because he knows how to treat a woman. He made me feel special. He a very smart person and always speak positive. That's why I love him and I know he love me too.
Aww, half a tree limelight relationship goals. All readers are just letting you know that I will be in Philadelphia April 29 for the International Caribbean Comedy Showdown. It's going to feature me, Johnny Daly, a lot of other Caribbean comedians will be there in attendance. It's at the First District Plaza in Philly. So make sure that if you're in the area, make sure that you come on out and you support and show me some love. It's going to be amazing. Number 7, where's O?
Me tell them man it's not a issue, come up, boom, turn up.
So Sham is back at it again with a hot new song and music video called Money Wine.
Well, I don't care what they say. I live my life and I live it my way. So I don't care what anyone think. Lawless.
And all was going good until the chorus start.
Stinking rich, so it smell like money. Smell like money, yeah, it smell like money. Stinking.
Get it, money pull up at that me say. Fit me, man up up here, get your girls in the way.
Right there and then people start for pre-say. Who they be there? Wait there. Why the voice here sound like O? Wait. By the way, done the S? Cause to be honest, it has hard been a long time since people see him and him wifey O together. Cause no video come out with somebody who sound like O, but it's not O. No sir, baby Sham, you're the boss. The brother left O and go find O too.
Stinking rich, so it smell like money. Smell.
So this week, we took it upon myself to go do a little research, and yeah, O's Instagram page, it gone. She has removed it. Then this piece of savagery occurred when Mr. Naed Sham posted this video, and some random brave person asked what most people were wondering. Hello. What am to Mrs. O? I hope you know F with her, you know. After which, Sham replied, you know, have a life. Well, peeps, that is our what's a go on. I hope everything is just well with them because, you know, them they make a nice little couple. And the people them, who must leave Sham alone. There are more vowels in the box with alphabet. Number 6, sister. Miss Beez, so 2 sisters in a Mount Pleasant, Port Antonio, got into one hell of a fight. Big job one. Finally, somebody part them. The sister them a fight conjoint like when 2 dogs itched. Oh God! Thank you, Moses, for coming and part the Red Sea.
You can't tell me, say. Am I for this can't do anything you want to do?
One eternity later.
So, them no plan for Lego?
You know,
It's the Ray and Nephew Contender!
but if what you know, dead, say, nah, do.
We're done. Give up. Number 5, Curvy's single.
Big bumper girl shake one time from your bumper, big shake it up like mine. Big bumper girl time from your bumper, big shake it up like. Some girl grudge me to the life I live. Them not like me cause the Wi-Fi is. Some girl don't know what hype life is. Life for me little them that are the nicest.
So the host of Magnum, King and Queen, is it Kings and Queens or King and Queens? I don't know. Anyway, so the host of Magnum recently dropped her single called Lifestyle. Check it out.
Now no time for crosses no more. Brush them off, them are everywhere. Some girl grudge me to the life I live. Them not like me cause the Wi-Fi is.
Now, I'm not gonna lie, Yannick, the song Shell. It's a one with a bag of things I never expect. Say, your first single that sounds so good, I'm not gonna lie. You know, Marvin the Beez and Nikisha, I feel them song to Shenseea, I feel your song, but I feel like your song, take the rhythm.
Pre-me, long time. Big bumper girl, bust up on wine. On my Instagram page, them lurking. I got no time for you cause I'm working.
And I cannot forget that line in the song where she say, them say it fake, it's still a shake. Bravo.
Them a talk about it fake, it's still a shake. Both thump in a face, but still a weird.
And guess what, people? Curvy Diva isn't the only media personality to make the transition to go turn big dancehall artist. Some years ago, Milk did try a thing.
Give me the hook, them my face.
Ready for whatever, yeah. I got my man back. Rider forever, yeah. You understand that? Go.
And all Yanni co-worker Miss Kitty did do it some, 5 years ago?
Some gal them name no good a course. So them nah no reason for a boost. When you see them in a dance, I'm a glint a people clothes. Some gal love borrow and steal like them in a construction. Always a look at next gal fi sponge pan. Pipe them out, you a do no malfunction.
So who knows, maybe we can get a collab from all three of them and I'll lie that with a shot. And now for the big up segment. First up, I want to say congratulations. Big up to Akeem Bloomfield for attaining the World Championships qualifying mark of 45.47 seconds. Up. And big up to King Batch for all his work with the Rujan Foundation. He's a big Instagrammer and Vine star. And now he is gearing up to build a track for Kingston College. I also want to say big up to Stay Good Shenseea for signing a contract with Flow Life. And then I have to big up Mr. Raheem Sterling on the birth of his first child, a baby boy, dating youth, up. And finally, I want to big up dancehall artist Ruffy with his latest single called Be a Dancehall Artist. I have one single that talk about the struggle, about hard life, and plans to get rich.
Poor people fed up.
One day, me know me have to get my pay. If call me used to hungry.
I'm not gonna lie, the song you go on. The song, Shell. I'm gonna suffer for real, you know, from conscience. I say, this year me have to be the winner.
This year me have to be the winner.
So I want you to go and check out the artist. People, his name is Ruffy. If you want to follow him on social media and check out music video and song and them something there, it is right. Yeah, so go and check it out now. Number 4, RENEE 630, Blasted. My word, my sentence, my paragraph. Here, first and foremost, I'm really don't that interested in the story here. Cause yeah, RENEE, I'm a friend. So last week, Bad Girls of Dancehall, RENEE 630, was blasted on social media for allegedly taking away a gal man. Here goes.
For those who were inquiring, yes, RENEE 630 and my husband Freshman Brilliance are dealing. She's not only good at dancing, she's also good at oh gee, wow.
Do it now, lick it.
To box foot, the whole of this really messy. But since then, the Puppy Tail creator seems to be really unbothered.
Yeah, this is a girl on Instagram. Along with big talk, behind them big page, and I'm going to look good girl in picture. And this one to me. Don't go on your dust. You want to get a charge. So how you buy?
Yeah, RENEE, same so. No more drama for the rest of 2017. Just keep yourself humble, meek and mild, alright? Number 3, Babsy and Hannah 2.0. Lisa Anna and Babsy Grange coming like pizza from Family Guy and him arch nemesis, the chicken. Do y'all even remember that before there was Team Dressing Room and Team Duplicitous, there was this?
Unfortunately, the member sometimes gets very erratic. Don't be rude. And the issue turn on. He has to withdraw that. He has to withdraw the issue. And she's being rude. unwasted. I know you're holding my mother back, but honestly, you too.
Me vote as ID. So spokesperson on the Ministry of Information, Youth and Culture, Lisa Hanna, took to Parliament recently about excessive spending in the Ministry of Youth and Culture, where her big bestie in charge of.
On this side, we see nation building as investing in our institutions and in our human capital. It is clear from the intentional action of this government that wasteful extravagance of taxpayers' money is the order of the day, and they're more intent on benefiting a few special friends.
So she are in a garden house and said this.
That's what Miss Hannah said yesterday. Remember was a big fat lie. Just like the last class. Mr. Speaker, we had our differences, and I thought we had put those behind. I don't interrupt other people when they're talking, so I should be allowed to speak. Unfortunately, the member sometimes gets very erratic. Don't be rude.
Oh, the shade.
And if she read like I did the 263-page report last night, she would have seen that.
Then Lisa, the queen of shade, told Babsy, the queen of the side eye, this palm tree of shadery.
And I would urge the minister, rather than get very personal and frantic and emotional about the way she comes to the house, that she looks at the evidence before castigating someone.
No, sir. That's almost as clever as Makapa on stage.
God, somebody new. I love her auto-tune sound good on her voice.
No man. Too much shade I throw in a Jamaica. Might as well go play DANCEHAL with it. Sir, I don't know why we just can't just all get along. But I'm not gonna lie, I love the drama though. Number 2, a beanie clap back. Yo. Oh gosh, I love a well-composed, well-executed clapback that not only puts people in them place, but also seeks to, shed them, clean them from some of them ignorance. So Crystal Tomlinson, Beenie Man's current girlfriend, host of E-Prime, public relations manager, and motivational speaker.
Because the truth is, hard work beats talent every time.
Had to address someone on social media after they tried to come for her and never knows that she drive already. Take a look. Not telling no lie. Angle look better than you by far. At Crystal Tomlinson. But to pimento skin, what is going in the present tense? What a somebody out harder and bright. The irony. So Crystal Tomlinson saw the comment, meds it, and then decided to properly done the girl. I think you mean Angel? Smiley face, and she's really beautiful. That is why she used to model. She has beautiful facial bone structure. Hard face. Now back to you. Are you done trying to create negative feelings between women? At age 26, I'm already too grown for that. Yeah, Crystal, I saw you have to beat and teach them more while. Make things crystal clear. Get it? And now check out the hot shots of the week.
Answers I don't want to hear. Just with you, I'm staggering into your mirror. How in the cold you've been, I picture to come back in, but I can't do this again. I can't keep you from home, but I'll set on fire to keep you on. I can't go on and on, setting fires to keep you on.
Number 1 goes to MC Nuffy versus Pampute. My word, my phrase, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay, my portfolio, my bookshelf, my bibliotheque. Shenseea, I convinced her for a season for borrow the cross from Jesus. People just literally wrote her name and I fling it in everything. Maybe it's just Ramish's genius way of kind of low-key a marketer.
Jiggle, jiggle, and body, yeah, jiggle, jiggle.
So So first, the 20-year-old mother of one was allegedly in a feud with Spice after mentioning this like indicator line in her song Happy Joe. And then this meeting occurred shortly after.
See, they know now viewers over the wrong things. Who that over there, someone? Spice!
And now, weeks later, our name is involved in a drama again. But see ya, Shenseea. So one day, Pampute went on CVM at Sunrise and spoke about dancehall. And some of the things that she say, well, people, they kind of find it a little, just watch.
Them are force on some people when they're ready for dancehall yet.
Okay, yeah.
Them not ready yet, and them are force them on the people them. And them want black out real talent like me. So
Miss Shoes Brush. Was that shade? So right after the interview aired, people just start to convince themselves, say a must Shenseea, she did attack. And then things went up another notch to another level when MC Nuffy decided to Jim Screech him way in the whole conversation and say that Pampute was allegedly hating pan Shenseea. Read this.
Pampute, you all like, but as we see you, we say dancehall. Which part, low the little girl make she get her chance in a dancehall? At Shenseea, at Ramesh where? Our you sang the way you sing both. You a dancehall, go all panak.
My God. So people, you are just no say Pampute wasn't are going to take that piece of tracing just so. Before the little Easter bun them could have done bake, Pampute posted this 1-minute video savagery on our Instagram.
I do my interview and I say some dancehall artists not ready. And everybody run with it and pick it up. I'm going to go put it a Shenseea foot.
Oh my God.
So why everybody pick it up and say a Shenseea me attack? Then no big pussy Nuffy. I go take my picture now and splice it and attack a bag of things. Nuffy make me blood. Remember see a man so cute who think a woman, you know?
No sir.
Remember that. Remember say your dancehall floor clad. Dancehall foot clad.
Wow. I'm legit never ready for all of this. This story need our entire congregation.
You love running a girl things too much. I saw you steal, you walk and you look like say, true you know so Ramesh have money, that's why you jump on the walk and anyway money they are there follow. Can right about now something you look from Ramesh. Make you post my picture and at Shenseea and Ramesh in it. So anyway you know she have money there, you walk and itch there. You wear every top man clothes.
I swear, why them go draw out Pampute? Why them go draw out Pampute? Me done. Hang up. Anyways, people, if you do want to hear more about this entire drama with Pampute, Shenseea, and Nuffy, make sure that you go and watch this Dutty Berry exclusive right up. Yeah, so check it out. It was a fun interview. Just check it out right now. Well, that's it, people. Thanks for watching another Dutty Berry Top 10 social media countdown. Make sure that you go and like, comment, share, and subscribe. People, subscribe. I want to get the subscribers up. If you want to interact with me on my social media, it is at DuttyBerryShow on Twitter, on Instagram, on Facebook, and even on Snapchat. If you want to reach out to me by email, you know, it is DuttyBerryShow@gmail.com. DuttyBerryShow@gmail.com. People, thank you so much for all of the support. I love it. Happy Easter and all of them. Something there. Make sure you enjoy yourself. And all of the people that would there, Ochi, I'm very much a bad mind. Oh no, people, can reach out to me with the hosting, with the voiceover, all of them look something there. If you want to promote on the social media, come down, just send me an email now. But just say it a while ago. Alright, people, take care until next time.